FE1611 FE Strobel Scraper. We're going to be getting set up here, get in a position here where we're going to make a cut. The key in the cutting, especially in a four-wheel drive tractor, is we like to tell the operators to make sure they're cutting on a straight line. Here pretty quickly here, the camera's going to be turning and looking at the cut and watching the bowl fill. This is 16-yard ISO is what this scraper is designed to. There's about 12 months of multiple meetings and interaction to engineer a very solid, Strobel strong piece of equipment. We got years of experience that we looked at this. We're running about 1,800, 1,900 RPM. We're gonna run in 5 mile an hour. It's about ideal for this scraper application and this tractor. Right now I did shift up a little bit, running 7th gear, running 4.3 mile an hour. You can see it filling the bowl right there. Just being very patient. It's all about keeping the momentum going. A little bit of dirt running out of the front there. That's good. It keeps the dirt in there. Shoving it up in there. We're going to look for that last little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and close the gate. Raising it up. I'm going to hold it at about 6 inches. Because we're going to come over here then and we're going to unload the dirt here. And in that case, we want a nice even spread. One of the design features we had here is that we made sure that when we open up the front gate, we get a full opening on that so that the dirt effectively falls out. So I'm raising up the gate and now I'm going to push the ejector. Notice I got a nice even spread coming out there. The dirt is practically falling out. Okay, now empty. Pretty soon coming behind will be the Strobel MD12 to level that out just a little bit. When you're doing a dirt spread, you want to make sure that you get that material nice and level. We'll have the Strobel sheep's foot coming behind it to pack it. All right, you can see here we're setting up again here for another cut. Right now I'm running a 5.5 mile an hour. Again, we're getting positioned here in our cut. I always like to make sure, again, to tell the operators to keep the machine running straight when you're cutting. And I'm about to drop the bit in right now. It's probably cutting about 2 to 3 inches. It has a full depth of 6 inches, but on this cut here, you notice here we're filling up very nicely. Still maintaining 4.5 to 5 mile an hour. That's good. It's pushing, boiling that dirt up in there. We're going to go ahead and get out of the cut now. I'm going to speed up a little bit. It's all about cycle time in the dirt world. I'm going to carry a little extra speed. The Strobel box scraper is doing its job because it's keeping me carrying some speed because I got nice level ground. It's all about momentum. We'll lower the bit down just a little bit. Again, we want to get a nice even spread when we're discharging the dirt. I'm raising up the gate right now. Boom. I'm injecting the dirt now, pushing it out. Nice even spread. And complete, unloaded. A full 16 yards of dirt with the Strobel FE1611 dirt scraper.